Comparing credit cards. Now let's look at benefits and rewards. So let's get an example going on here. Alistair is considering a retail card from his favorite store. The card has an annual fee of $50 and offers 2% cash back on all purchases made at the store or website. He spends around $1,300 per year at the store. Is the 2% cash back worth the $50 fee? Let's take a look. So the solution is, so he has a balance, sorry, he spends $1,300 per year, and he times that by the 2% cash back is $26. So it's 1,300 times 2%, because that's how much he spends at the store. It's $26 annual cash back. So that's how much he'll be earning with this credit card, $26. However, it has a $50 annual fee. So that means that for Alistair, that is a net loss or cost of $24, because he's really only getting $26 back, but he's paying $50, so he's actually paying $24 more. So the $50 annual fee is not worth the 2% cash back for Alistair, and he should just stick to the card that he has now.